Hi, Zach here at River Valley in Red Wing, Minnesota. Wanted to give you a really good walk around video today of a very neat, very unique boat. This here is a Trojan F32, a very unique boat. One of four built in this age without a flybridge. Kind of just a neat setup. A nice big open cockpit in the back. Swim platform, beautiful woodwork. Big walk around decks, lots of glass windows. Complete hardtop. Take a walk forward. It's got nice big stainless steel rails going all the way around it. The decks up top are very flat. Spot for an anchor up there, your spotlight, fender holders. Very cool overall boat. Let's take a jump inside, take a closer look at the cabin. Step on board here and you can see again that nice big open cockpit. All the furnishings are going to be coming with this boat. Big sliding glass door, and it's got the screen as well. Makes it very nice for getting in and out here. Slide the door open for you, and a big interior. The beam is 13 feet, so you get a lot of room that way. I apologize for the noise. I got the air unit running. The carpeting's been updated. Again, all the chairs that are sitting here are going to go with it. Take a look here at the helm. You've got a Lowrance. It's an HDS 8. That was just installed a few years ago, if I recall. New RPM gauges there. Those were put in 2015-ish, roughly, if I remember right. There's a TV mounted there. You've actually got a system here that can run a DVD player through that TV, and there's also a TV down on the back side. It's kind of cool system. That stereo has the ability for auxiliary as well. The woodwork inside is absolutely beautiful. It is very, very nice. Lots of windows. Love the grab handles up on the top. VHF radio, all your switches, very easy to get to. Work our way forward. We'll go down the steps and into the galley. Stainless steel sink, alcohol stove. The refrigerator's been updated. It does not have the front panel updated. Nice amount of storage in the galley. 110 outlets. The nice steps. You've got your dinette here that can convert into another berth. Again, another TV there. And I point out that woodwork. I think it's just so cool how Trojan just accented everything with the wood to such a high level. Work our way forward. Nice headliner throughout the boat. Forward sleeping area here. And again, all those just sharp looking teak accents. Take a step back, we'll look at the head. Open the door. Again, stainless steel sink, a large mirror, some shelving there, electric flush head, some storage below. Just a good looking head compartment on this F32. So that there kind of gives us a real quick video walkthrough of this Trojan F32. A very neat boat, a very unique boat. Lots of character to this boat, very, very well kept. A boat that certainly should impress if you're looking for a boat of this style in this era. Again, I am Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch our video.